Good day, everyone. Today we're going to make a simple science experiment of magnets versus matchsticks. We're going to find out if the burnt matchstick will stick to the magnet. What we're going to need are some matchsticks, magnets, a plate, and a shield that will help you protect your eyes and face. So here we got some few brands of matchsticks: Guitar, Royal, Commando, Fuego, and Winston matchsticks. We will discover which of these matchsticks will have the magnetic attraction to the magnet after it was burnt. So for the first try, we're going to burn the royal matchsticks. Now let's see if it will stick to the magnet. Now let's try the Commando matchsticks. It can stick to the matchsticks now. When the matchstick is struck and burnt, it produces pure iron, which is magnetic. In this experiment, we have learned that not all matchsticks have strong magnetic attraction after it was burnt. Some are weak, average, and some are strong. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.